So I recently did a new build of questionable quality, the build itself. That video should be up by now, so check it out if you haven't. Anyway, what better time than now to buy a new high refresh rate gaming monitor? And that's why today we're here to unbox the Acer XF270H in today's super cool unboxing. Yeah! Alright, so let's go over the box really quick. It's a monitor, so there's not really much to go over. But it says gaming monitor right there, so you know. It's 1080p. It says 0 frame. It supports AMD FreeSync. Now I have an NVIDIA card, but as you know, or you may not know, I believe in January, NVIDIA added support for adaptive sync or non-G-Sync monitors to work with G-Sync. So basically FreeSync, you know. So this monitor should work with G-Sync, and it was cheaper than a lot of the G-Sync monitors. It was about $250. So I was like, you know, I'll give it a chance. And it has a 1 millisecond response time, so it's supposed to be really fast as far as response time when it comes to gaming, which is important to gamers. I'm an elite gamer myself. I game super hard. Okay, I suck at games, but when I play them, I like having the best experience possible. So you have that in the front. The back is the exact same. And then even the sides really have the same information. So it's all just, you know, propaganda and promotions. So let's go ahead and get this started. So we're going to go ahead here. I'm going to peel the tape a little, just get that little peel going on. So you know what my appeal is. Haha! This is difficult. Why does everything I do have to be a fight? Oh no, and the tape ripped in half. This is terrible. Okay. Finally got that. Oh, tabs right here. They all look the same. They blended in with the box. I'm sorry. So I pulled the 2 tabs out. Folded that down. Boom, boom. Boom. And then up here, it actually has instructions on how to unbox it. So let's go ahead and pull out the accessories. So, great, this comes with a DisplayPort cable, because I wasn't sure if I actually had one or not. The power cords right here. Boom. Then you have, this is the USB. So I think this has built-in USB ports. So this is a USB 3.0 actually. So this is the the USB cable to attach to your computer to use the USB ports on the monitor if you so please, which I probably will just because it's easier access. It doesn't hurt to have, like, you know, kind of like a built-in USB hub. Here you have your instruction manual and I assume warranty information. Alright, and then let's go ahead and get this pulled out of the box. Carefully following all the directions that were provided. Oh man, styrofoam everywhere. It sucks. Really? Oh my gosh. Oh. Get out of the box. Get out of there. I'm tired of fighting. Oh, God. Okay. So in the back of the box, you have the rest of the accessories. Pretty damn heavy, which is a good thing. I mean, usually means it's of good quality if it's that heavy. And then here's the stand arm, which is also pretty heavy as well. Okay. So now it's time for the main event, which is the monitor itself. Y'all ready? Just gonna pull this off. I can't honestly tell if this is the front or the back. Hopefully it's the back. Okay, so I did do it right. Boom. And of course there's like a protective thing up there because no one wants to get a monitor with a scratched up screen. And let's go ahead and unveil this sucker. Sorry for the terrible styrofoam sounds. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Alright, so I do like how thin the bezels are. There's a bezel that's around the screen. It's pretty difficult to see too, but it's really thin. It's pretty heavy. I do like that. And it's Visa mountable, so like if you want to buy like a TV mount and mount it on the wall, you have that option. Let's take that off. And here you have USB ports on the side. And then on the bottom you have 2 more USB ports, and then you have your connections. You also have, so by connections I mean there's 1 display port and 2 HDMI, and that's where the USB adapter plugs in to extend the USB ports to the monitor. And then you have a headphone jack or a line out, and then you have where your power adapter plugs in. Back here you have the buttons, and it has this little joystick thing, which is pretty cool. Even though I feel like it'd be difficult to really navigate the on-screen settings, considering that the buttons are going to be on the back. So I do have to knock it for that. Overall, it's pretty cool. So let's set this to the side really quick so I can clear off this table. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this base assembled. So this is the main, stand. And then this is of course, the bottom part of it. So it looks like there's a screw right in the middle of this, and then there's like a little actual Phillips head looking screw at the bottom. So it looks like okay, so the base swivels. So if you get this and the hole's not lined up here, the base does swivel. If you're like, why isn't this in the middle? Because I was confused for a second. Alright, so it looks like you just put this into here. So there's 2 pegs at the bottom of this. You just got to make sure the 2 pegs match up with the 2 holes in here. Alright. Boom, and that's nice and simple. And then you just want to make sure you take your screw and at least make sure it's hand tight. It seems like you can get it pretty tight with the little dingy thing. So, and of course I dropped it without saying that. So I feel like this is it's not going to go anywhere here. Boom. And of course if you want to swivel it or anything like that, you can. So these are hooked. You just want to stick these in. Or sorry, probably want to stick this part in first. And then the 2 hooks, and then that just clicks in. And that's pretty much it as far as assembly. And then of course, okay, so now it tilts. So I just need the weight of the monitor to be able to tilt. So I do like how adjustable it is. My current monitor isn't really tilt friendly. And then to do the up and down, you just push or pull it. It feels pretty sturdy. I overall like the construction. The only thing I don't like so far is just the fact that the controls are on the back. There's no option even the power button's on the back of it. So there's no option to really control it from the front. You'd have to look if you want to go and tinker in the menus. And that's pretty much it for the assembly. So it's pretty easy. Probably would take most people maybe 10 minutes. And I feel like half the time we'll just be getting it out of the box to set up, honestly. But if you like this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to see, further thoughts and impressions on the video. On the monitor and how it performs, being a FreeSync monitor, using it with G-Sync. Let me know and I'll do another video on it. And as always, remember to do at least 2 things at the same time. Peace.